Sometimes I sit and think about life, always wondering why mine is always wrong and never right. It's like I'm running out of time, don't know where to go. It's like the higher that I reach, I fall into a deeper hole. So, but let me tell you about this kid I once knew, who had it all bad and he didn't have a clue. Lonely walks to school, yeah, he's seen a lot of things. He never had the pops and his mommy hardly seen. She was always hustling, trying to get the rent paid. The good in him faded like someone else weighed. He started hanging on the block once he hit the 6th grade. That's when his life changed, cause his friend got laid 6 feet beneath ground level. Like Immortal Technique, he started dancing with the devil. Listen up, cause the story has a little twist. Be careful what you choose, cause every day's a risk, y'all.
First of all, let's go. You're sent upon my pillow, and then I say goodbye to your whispers in my dreams. And then our lips will part, in my mind and in my heart, cause your kiss went deeper than my skin.
He started going crazy, running buck wild, began breaking laws, so we built a file. 3 misdemeanors with 17 felonies. Mind blank, felt like everybody was his enemy. Murder, drugs, and money, yeah, he seen it all. His brothers tried to give him advice, he blew it off. He wasn't thinking straight, he wasn't living right. Mama stressed, cause she thought a boy was gonna lose his life. Coming home late at night, had his mother worried sick, but he seek revenge with his hands on the clip, full of hollow tips, looking for that one dude. Remembered him cause his face had a tattoo. Caught him walking out the liquor, holding milk and bread. He let 2 off and hit him in his chest. He ran up on him as the other dude was yelling why. The kid pointed it to his head and then closed his eyes.
First of all, let's go. You're sent upon my pillow, and then I say goodbye to your whispers in my dreams. And then our lips will part, in my mind and in my heart, cause your kiss went deeper than my skin.
I got hit by reality, traumatized from tragedy. I thought about my future, I thought about my family. Angels on my side when I'm fighting all the demons. I faced 10 years, 6 months, and I beat it. Not from the murder, but from crimes committed before. Vandalism, selling drugs, and robbing people. I found my passion, and that is making music. I hold it in my palms, and I'm never gonna lose it. They hating on me, but I stay laughing at them. I'm topping over them, that's why I don't understand them. But since I put you up on game with shit that I've been through, dissing me, knocking at your door as if your rent's due. If I would do it for his loved ones, his family, we done been through it all, seen beautiful and tragedy. When problems come around, no, I'm never ever vanishing. Expose the real me through these beats, don't be mad at me, cause I've been through shit that only a few of you know. Pour my heart into the mic, so I'm just hoping soon I'll blow. Mama, this goes out to you, we gon' make it out this ghetto. If the man upstairs is with us, watch the money stack. Legos, the day that you got prego and had me in your stomach, it's like the world knew something special was coming. If they don't let me in, I'm creeping through the back door. February 12th, the day a star was born.
First of all, let's go. You're sent upon my pillow, and then I say goodbye.